When it comes to family cars, reliability is the #1 priority. In 2026, some sedans continue to stand out for their dependability, safety, and value. These are the cars you can trust to get your family where they need to go without worry. Today, we're counting down the 7 most reliable family cars of 2026 that you can truly count on. Number 7. 2026 Volkswagen Jetta. Starting price at $25,000. The Jetta has always been known as a smart, affordable German sedan. The 2026 model continues that legacy with clean styling, practical features, and a comfortable driving experience, all at a price that makes it a strong value pick. The 2026 Jetta is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination delivers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and an EPA-estimated 33 miles per gallon combined fuel economy, making it an efficient choice for daily commuting. Inside, the Jetta offers a comfortable cabin with seating for 5 and a 14 cubic foot trunk for ample cargo space. The base model comes with a 6.5-inch touchscreen, while higher trims feature an 8-inch display. Standard technology includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of driver assistance features, ensuring convenience and connectivity for every ride. All 2026 Jetta models are equipped with Volkswagen's comprehensive safety suite, which includes forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features work together to keep passengers safe and provide peace of mind on every drive. Number 6. 2026 Hyundai Elantra. Price range: $23,500 to $31,500. Hyundai keeps raising the bar, and the 2026 Elantra proves it. With bold styling, high-tech features, and excellent fuel efficiency, this sedan shows you don't have to spend big to get modern design and quality. A 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 147 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission, turbocharged engine. A 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering 201 horsepower mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Hybrid powertrain. A 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine combined with an electric motor, producing a total of 139 horsepower, coupled with a continuously variable transmission. Elantra N. A high-performance 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, generating 276 horsepower, available with a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Inside, the Elantra boasts a modern and spacious cabin with seating for 5. Standard features include an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of advanced safety features. Higher trims offer additional amenities such as a 10.25-inch touchscreen, premium audio system, and wireless device charging. Every 2026 Elantra comes equipped with Hyundai's SmartSense suite of safety features, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add features like adaptive cruise control and a surround view camera system. Number 5. 2026 Subaru Impreza. Price range: $27,790 to $30,690. Built for confidence in any weather, the 2026 Subaru Impreza comes standard with all-wheel drive and a reputation for safety. It's a compact sedan that blends everyday practicality with the rugged capability Subaru is famous for. The 2026 Impreza Sport is powered by a 2.0-liter flat-4 engine producing 152 horsepower. The RS trim steps up with a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, now delivering 180 horsepower. Both trims are paired with a continuously variable transmission, featuring an 8-speed manual mode with steering wheel paddle shifters, providing a responsive and engaging driving experience. Inside, the Impreza offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with seating for 5. The Sport trim comes equipped with an 11.6-inch touchscreen, while the RS trim adds premium features such as an all-weather package and blind spot detection with rear cross-traffic alert. Both trims include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Standard on all 2026 Impreza models is Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assist technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The RS trim adds emergency lane keep assist, enhancing safety during highway driving. New for 2026, all models feature standard rear seat side airbags for added protection. Number 4. 2026 Nissan Altima. Price range: $28,000 to $36,000. The 2026 Nissan Altima is designed for drivers who want comfort, space, and everyday reliability. Known for its smooth ride and strong value, it's a sedan that remains a top choice for families and commuters alike. The standard setup is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing about 188 horsepower. It comes paired with a continuously variable transmission and delivers smooth, fuel-efficient performance. With front-wheel drive, fuel economy reaches up to 27 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. If you need more traction, all-wheel drive is available on most trims. For drivers who want extra punch, the SRVC Turbo trim offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering 248 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. This cuts the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to under 6 seconds, while still returning around 25 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Step inside and you'll notice the upgrades. The Altima's cabin now feels more modern with soft touch surfaces, wireless smartphone connectivity, and extra USB-C ports. The seats are comfortable for long drives, and the rear passengers benefit from the added space. Cargo remains practical with 15.4 cubic feet of trunk space, making it a strong family or commuter option. Every 2026 Altima comes with Nissan Safety Shield 360 as standard. That includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and high beam assist. Higher trims also offer Pro Pilot Assist, which adds adaptive cruise control and lane centering for easier highway driving. Number 3. 2026 Honda Accord. Price range: $30,195 to $37,920. The Honda Accord has been a family favorite for generations, and the 2026 version takes things even further. With modern styling, a spacious interior, and strong performance, it remains one of the most balanced sedans on the market. The 2026 Accord offers a hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors, delivering a total of 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive models. All-wheel drive versions add a third motor, increasing the combined output to 232 horsepower. Both configurations are paired with a continuously variable transmission, ensuring smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. Inside, the Accord boasts a spacious and comfortable cabin with seating for 5. The base LX trim comes equipped with an 8.0-inch touchscreen, while higher trims offer a 12.3-inch touchscreen. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Honda sensing, which encompasses adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Every 2026 Accord is equipped with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety features that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Higher trims offer additional safety features such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. Number 2. 2026 Toyota Corolla. Price range: $23,920 to $30,000. The world's best-selling nameplate, the Toyota Corolla, returns for 2026 with even more refinement. Known for unmatched reliability and efficiency, the Corolla continues to be the go-to choice for drivers who value trust and practicality. The standard gasoline model uses a 2.0-liter dynamic force four-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard. Fuel economy is estimated at 32 miles per gallon city, 41 miles per gallon highway, 35 miles per gallon combined. There's also a hybrid variant, a 1.8-liter four-cylinder plus electric motor setup with combined output of 138 horsepower, available in front-wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive. Inside, the Corolla offers a clean design, modern infotainment, and smart connectivity. All trims support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims offer more upgrades like better materials and the larger digital cluster. The hatchback body style, where available, adds versatility in cargo layout and design flair. Every Corolla includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, features such as automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. With 2026, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are now standard on all trims. Number 1. 2026 Toyota Camry. Price range: $30,195 and goes up to $37,920. Sitting at the top of the list, the 2026 Toyota Camry continues to dominate the mid-size sedan category. With proven reliability, improved efficiency, and a design that appeals to both families and professionals, it's no surprise this sedan holds the number 1 spot. The 2026 Camry offers a hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors, delivering a total of 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive models. All-wheel drive versions add a third motor, increasing the combined output to 232 horsepower. Both configurations are paired with a continuously variable transmission, ensuring smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. Inside, the Camry boasts a spacious and comfortable cabin with seating for 5. The base LE trim comes equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen, while higher trims offer a 12.3-inch touchscreen. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Every 2026 Camry is equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Higher trims offer additional safety features such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert.